some money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar.
Show me the money!
Hey guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday, I believe. Yes, Thursday? Thursday? I think so.
Thursday, baby.
Let's get it. I've been watching this chart here. I got in long back at the 29,400, so trying to watch for the pullback so I can get my ass out. What are we on the someone keep an eye on the I'll just slide my stuff up. Never mind. So say someone tell me if this bitch pulls back. Let me see here. I need to find the right. There we go. This one. Okay. So we are here. Yesterday's opening range, or yesterday opening range. The range was 750 to 55. All right. So we had a $5 range yesterday. Today's pre-market, we're at about a $3 range. We're at 751 to 754. Yesterday's opening range was towards the top of this, which is this gold bar. For those that don't know, we busted out a little bit and then came down. What did we play yesterday? Did we take calls?
Um,
How did we do yesterday? What did we do?
fuck.
I think we took off. Oh, we took off of VWAP. I think we played this. I think we played. Didn't we play the initial opening candle? I think we did because we closed above pre-market high. I think that's what we did. Yeah, we played this first candle. I think. I don't remember. Anyway, I think we took 2 trades. We got that one, and then we took another one off VWAP. I think. I don't remember, man. Fuck, it was yesterday. Oh shit, this bitch is pulling back. Damn it. Where am I at? Holy. That bitch took a turn. I'm gonna just go ahead and get on out. Get on out. Where's she coming back? I'm gonna get out so I ain't distracted here. Watch it go to the fucking moon too. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Lick my wounds. Take it. What was I saying? What were we gonna do? What were we gonna do? Oh, today. Okay, so this was yesterday. We trended down. Our low yesterday was previous day's median range. All right, this little the opening range of the previous day. So I'm beginning to think those are new levels too. All right, it seems to react off them for whatever reason. It's like a VWAP inside the opening range. So today we are almost in the middle of pre-market, if you can see here. Good thing is we are above VWAP to start the morning. All right, we want to stay above VWAP. We want to push towards no matter which direction we go, we got some movement. We want to push towards yesterday's opening range low, which is here, or pre-market low, which is here. All right, either direction, whatever one we play, that's what we're gonna test first. All right. Of course, I'm leaning calls. What's new? I don't know. What do y'all got? I've been working on a bunch of shit this morning, so I'm brain frazzled.
Man, I went to bed late as hell. I'm fucking zapped.
I went to bed about 10:30, I think. 10:15. I thought I went to bed
10:15.
early and then got up. I was feeling good. I think the coffee fucked me up, man. I took a coffee and then I'm like, eh.
Yeah, it feels good for like fucking 5 minutes. Then you're like, ugh.
Took my poopy. Now I'm just like, yeah, I'm good.
Oh, fuck. I think I went to bed at like 2.
Yesterday, the biggest day for the girls, all month. That was a nice day. Today, not so much.
Oh,
Girls were working it yesterday, out on the corner, working it.
selling it.
Does anybody use Rhythmic for futures or Quant Tower or any of that bullshit? Anybody? 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 I got a couple of guys that do. I'll pick their brain. I'm just having issues with it. What up, Rashawn? Rick, never. Um, I don't know. It's kind of lackluster today. The we closed. I mean, we kind of trended down, and then now we're coming back up. Look at this. We closed yesterday at pretty much it was pre-market highs where we closed, right? Give or take a couple of cents. Traded flat all after hours, and then opened up at 4 this morning. Was poopy. Tried to recover, got back up towards pre-market high, which was yesterday's close, and then pooped the bed again. We just opened. I'm gonna sit on the hands here because we're in the middle. It's nothing really to jump into based on levels at least. I wouldn't now because you're chasing, but you could have since we're above VWAP, you could have opened up. But I'm just gonna let it play out, see how it goes. See how she goes. So right away, our opening range is going to be slightly lower than yesterday. Pulling back out, it's going to be uh, around this one here, right? So this was yesterday. This was the day before. Day before that was this one, and so that's kind of where we're at. Pretty much here. Let me show you. This is the high of today, and this is the low. So we're in the middle of this opening range here. Y'all could see that. Just let her play out. No need to rush. We'll wait the 5 minutes today. Probably be looking at the 56s if we go long, 756s. Short will be looking probably the 49s. Maybe the even, yeah, 49s probably. Maybe the 48s.
Oh, excuse me.
What the NQs do. Am I pissed off? Yeah, I'm pissed off. It could have done. I got out. 200 ticks. It could have took 500 ticks. Oh well. Whatever. Whatever.
Well,
No one's gonna cry about 200 ticks. All right.
money's money.
Show me the money. So right now we got about not even a buck range. We're at 752.75 and it got up to 753.50. So it's a nice little spread there. If our opening range right now is pretty much at VWAP. If you want to, you can play VWAP here. You can Right now, you'd want to play calls until it closes below VWAP. If it closes below VWAP, just stop yourself out and enter puts, and then wait for it to recover VWAP, right? So you have about 20 seconds here. See how this candle goes. I'm tempted just to jump in. Y'all want to get crazy? We can go. We want to do some puts. What do you think? Eh? Maybe? No. It did close below VWAP, so in theory, she should drive down. If you did take puts and it closes back above VWAP, go ahead and stop out, flip it. And if you're trading those trades, it's just snippets, right? Take your 5, take your 10%, get out of the way. See, so she is going down for you. If you took the puts, you're getting paid. So we'll wait for this candle to close. We'll get a pullback, and then if we're gonna stay puts, then we're gonna jump in. I got the 748s puts. 748 puts are loaded up. Let's see what happens. It's our trigger, but we're gonna wait for the close. All right, we got 40 seconds. Wait for the close. You can be a hero. I'm gonna wait. All right, I'm gonna wait. 30 seconds. I got 748 puts loaded. We're targeting, if we go in 26 seconds, we're going to target pre-market low first, all right? 748 puts are loaded. We got 16 seconds. Get this loaded. What's the date today? 16? And whoops. Wrong account. Son of a bitch. There we go.
Whoa, what the fuck?
What's up? 748 puts, guys.
Holy shit.
What?
Last night, before I went to bed, I was playing fucking my Apex accounts,
Mm-hmm.
and I must have accidentally left a fucking order in or some
Yeah, but
shit.
overnight?
Yeah,
You mean
overnight. And
not
I
not
just
the not the close? You mean like you were playing after market open at 6?
yeah, I was playing at probably like 10. And I think I left the order open or something. And all these accounts are passed. They're at fucking 54,000.
Ain't nothing wrong with that,
Yeah, but that's fucking scary as hell.
right? Could have blew them
Imagine
all.
if it went the other way. Fuck. Lord D. Holy shit. It says I'm up 2,200 for the day.
Whoops. Take it.
Shit.
Take
God damn.
it. Hell yeah. Would you have them copying?
Yep. 10 accounts. 10 accounts. God damn, 22,000. Now I just need to do that on a funded. God, dude, what the fuck happened though? And why did they close out? That's what I want to know.
Looking for about 50, 51. Get a little trim. We want to blow by and get us a new low of day. All right. Push down, bitch.
Facts, Rashawn. I don't even know what the fuck. I'm happy with it. They were close to passing anyway, but I thought I'd probably either pass today or tomorrow.
Take a trim, guys. Take a trim. Got 51 there. Let's get something, all right? Put something in the pocket.
Can you activate Apex same day?
There's 54, guys. You have to wait for the cycle through, whatever, tonight at whatever that is.
Damn, that makes you wait a whole fucking day. I mean, I guess
Yeah.
that's good. Probably don't need to be trading these today anyway.
It stopped me out, guys. Hit 54, then shot right back up. Got 12%. Should have got a little snippet of that, something, right? That was the max. Still could go lower, but once I took profit, I slide my stop up.
Let me see. Reports.
%, 18%. Nice. 21%. And get paid, guys. Get paid. 60. There we go. 25%. So you're down here at pre-market lows. It's fighting with it right now. All right. If we lose pre-market low, look for the yesterday's low to be a target. Here, this is a good turnaround spot. All right. It'll play here for a minute before deciding if it wants to fucking bust down or what. Or what? I gotta do an upgrade on the computer or update, whatever that thing's called. I just haven't had time to restart it. I'm like, well, if I restart it, I gotta open up all my screens again.
I did that last night.
Usually just shut it down on the weekend. That way it does its thing. If you played this bounce, you're getting paid right now. Okay. She came and reacted off the pre-market low, went below it, closed back above it, and then just took off. If you're still in the puts, you're still in profit on the puts, but you could have played this also. Right now, there's nothing that shows calls other than playing levels like this. All right, that would have been your only call play right there. Couple of things were below opening range low, or below VWAP, and so we gotta be puts until we're not, right? If you want to play these bounces here off pre-market low, it's respecting it. You can see this is 4 minutes now. If it hasn't closed below it, it's wicked down 3 times. I'm sorry, 4 times. If it closes below it, you gotta stay in those puts then. So if the candle closes above pre-market low, yeah, at the bottom there, yeah. See how it wicked down, Esteban? It wicked down. It's like I use the analogy of sticking your toe in the water, right? You're testing the waters. It typically gets a reaction because it doesn't want to be there, closes back above it. And then it got this candle here, right? It tried to get away from it. And then it kept going up to here. It did pull back. Look at this wick. It wicked right down to that level, pre-market low again, right? This next candle here, it shot. It came back up to here, right? Still didn't close it below. It still closed above. So it's using this level as a level, right? Like it should be. And so whenever I'm catching knives, this is what I'm looking for. Things like this. Had I been alert and awake, I would have taken this trade. It's a fine trade. Worst case, another analogy I use, I'm like, put your house on it, right? That way, if it goes against you, you're losing 1 bedroom and not your whole house because you're so low here at the. It's a good risk to reward, right? And so, if this is the only thing that's looking calls, is this level here, right? Everything else, like I just mentioned, is puts. We're below opening range. We're below VWAP. The only thing you can think of calls is this level. So if it loses that level and it closes below it, you just simply stop out. You lost one of the kids' bedrooms. That's okay, right? Rebuild the bedroom.
Rebuild the bitch.
What up, Sammy? We took puts, brother. We took puts. But now we're trying to see what's up. I got stopped out, of course. Little fucker. So right now I'm looking for a calls opportunity. All right. You see how now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles all are trying to stay above it. What's happening here is either A, the sellers are trying to push it down and the buyers are just like, nope, we don't want it to go. We don't want it to go. One of them's going to get exhausted. All right. One of them will lose. And when that happens, it's either going to just release and she's going to take off her panties all the way down here to yesterday's low, or she's going to hike them bitches up to the neck and it's going to come back up here to VWAP, right? So as you can see here, look at this nut candle. See? So it had to force its way through there. 30 seconds. It's in my opinion probably unlikely that it recovers that whole candle in 30 seconds. So it's going to probably close below and you're going to look at yesterday's low. Nice. Good play, Rashawn. Just remember, when you take profit, even if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 10%, slide your stop up. Even if the thing wicks you out, you won, right? You won. Ideally, what we like, for instance, if we took puts here on this close of VWAP, see this next candle? You want these nut candles because that gives you some breathing room so it can wick back up on you and you still stay in the play. So this candle here probably got you 10% and then it came back up. Maybe it's 2, 3% in profit still, right? But at least you're still in the play and then it drove back down. So it did close below pre-market low, closed below the 15-minute opening range, which is these blue lines, guys. These or whatever, light blue. So that's a double that's going to be resistance now. Both of those are now resistance. And so now you're going to look for the opposite. You're going to look for these wicks. It's going to try and come up above it and it's going to get pushed down. See? Until it can overtake that, it's puts. You see this volume coming in here. Look at this volume and it's buyers coming in. See that? So it's trying. You can't win if you don't play, right? And you have to find logical reasons as to why to get into plays and get out of plays. So right here, this candle of volume, this volume is equal or more than this opening candle, which is the most of the day. Generally, this first candle is the most volume of the day. This candle here, it was all buyers and it was equal to what's this called? Opening day, opening minute. And so you see what it did, right? This volume poured in, overtook the sellers, and now look at it. I don't remember, Sammy. Fuck, bro. I've been gone. I went on sexcation, and last week I don't remember. I think last week we had a iffy week. Like we won every day, I think, but it was just I think we had to work for him,
Yeah,
if I
Monday
remember
and
right.
Tuesday were fucking bullshits.
Sammy, you missed the gun, brother. I would have probably jumped in down here. If you do now, you're kind of in the middle. I would wait at this point until you overtake opening range low and VWAP. If you get above here, if it closes above VWAP, go ahead, jump in. Because we're still, like I said, there's nothing trending calls except for this level here, right? So now if you jump in, it still has room back to go back down. You don't want that far of a risk. Let her recover, let her take VWAP, see what she does. If she overtakes VWAP, you're going to target opening range high, or at least this middle non-level. I don't know why those things are levels, but it's cool. All that is the middle, right? The median. Load up your calls, Sammy. Get them ready, brother.
Yeah, who were you asking? Sorry, it's late. Fucking just seeing that.
Ooh, what do you
What do
say?
you use? What do you use for copy trading?
I don't know what that means. For
I
you,
think.
can't. Well, each broker, each firm has their own type. Like if you wanted to, I think he's referring to your 10 accounts. So you can have them mirror each other or copy each other.
Yeah, on Apex you can just make a group, and they'll all be copied on each other.
See this reaction here? It hit VWAP and just turned away.
The fucking Top Step accounts are up that too.
Top Step, I have to trade manually.
Yeah, I mean, shit, you know, I trade manually.
Too
What they
lazy.
don't allow, they don't allow fucking
Yeah, they do. They do allow auto trading. The problem is the manager doesn't link with them anymore. They used to,
yeah,
but when
shit.
they switched to the new website, they don't.
What kind of bullshit is that?
Yeah, I don't know. But they picked up Rhythmic instead, which it's bullshit. I don't like Rhythmic, but it opened up
Honestly,
another couple of firms.
I don't give a fuck what anybody says. Top Step is definitely one of the better firms. Like you don't even have to get above the buffer to take a payout. Like shit. You get a $2,000 balance on fucking 5 accounts, you can request a $5,000 payout.
Cool. Yeah, I'm trying to get away from Apex because they switched. So I only have about six accounts that are the grandfathered ones.
Mhm.
Now they only give you 6 payouts, period. And so the first one is 15. I think the first two are 1,500. Next next one or two is 2,000. And so they're trying to get you, which I do. They just entice you to hold them. So you can take $200 or 250, right? You could take your payout, but you only get 6 payouts.
Before they
Period.
move you to a
Period.
live.
No, then they kill the account. You have to start over. They don't even give you another funded. They just the account's dead. 6 payouts. Then you have to
No
start over
fucking
with an eval. Yeah, but your grandfathered accounts are still fine. It's just the newer ones. Remember, I was telling you, like, so you buy the account. Number one, you have to fund it or pass within 30 days, or they kill it. It's dead.
right.
And then if it does live, then you get 6 payouts. And so it doesn't matter if you take $100 payout, $200 payout, $500 payout, up to $1,500 for that one. So basically, it's going to be 15,000. How they do it, because it's 3,000, it's 1,500 a couple of times, 2,000. The max you can get is 15,000
From one
uh,
account.
from one account, and then it's dead. It's six withdrawals. It's not a money account, money issue. Six payouts.
That's fucking bullshit. Why the fuck would they do
Top
that?
Step, I don't know. They're fools. They used to be my favorite just because you can do 20 accounts. I'm trying to get into day traders. They allow 15 accounts, which the issue
But
is
only 500 though, right?
it's the rhythmic bullshit, and I can't get them to trigger properly. And Tradeify's nice. I like Tradeify. I like Blue Sky, but they don't allow you to have the huge number of accounts. You have to have 2Z, 3Zs, 5Z. I'm gonna get into, so I started day traders. I'm gonna try to get into Lucids. I got my funded futures. I have take profit trader, TPT, whatever they are.
Mhm.
There's no best, bro. They all work about the same. Especially now they have. I like the end of day drawdown. It's just easier. You don't have to worry about it. I can trade the live. What's it called? The live drawdown too. I just set those differently. I use them for $200 uh, liquidation instead of 500 on my end of days.
I might load up on some Apex accounts some more because they got. I just bought these fucking accounts the other day. I think maybe Tuesday, and then
What are
yesterday they fucking come out with $50 all in intraday trailing.
so those intradays? Those are the hard ones because you got to. Whoops.
You just fucking take profit. I mean, for auto trading, I wouldn't want to do that. But all these accounts, these 10 are fucking intradays. But $50 all in, no activation. I'm fucking with that. Gosh, dude, I'm really trying to fucking figure out how the fuck that happened last night. I guess it pays to fucking be drunk and tired trading.
Right. Or passed out trading. You're like, whoops, I'm still in. I hate that. I'll do that sometimes, but I'll put a stop. Inevitably it fucking wicks me out and then goes in my direction. I'm like, son of a bitch.
See, that's what I did last night. There was a good setup with fucking VWAP. I set my stop below VWAP, and I set take profit at fucking 15 points, and it fucking I thought it all closed out because I got the 15 points, but I guess my sell fucking stayed up in there, which is bullshit. Like that's why I like Top Step. Like once you close out your fucking position, it closes out the fucking the stop and everything.
Here she's trying to push up. You see we consolidated here, kept teetering with VWAP, wicked above, closing near it, wicked above, wicked above. Now see if this candle, I think this one is the one that's going to close. You see the volume starting to pick up. So you got 30 seconds. Could take calls here. Let me see here. Probably the 55s would be good to take. I'm going to sit on my hands. I have one nice, so I'm good. Here's your entry, Sammy. Are you here? He's like, I'm already in calls. You see this volume pickup. Look at that. You should see a follow through here. Your first target or your first hiccup is going to be right here. Should be. If it closes below VWAP, then you just stop yourself out. But look how hard it fought to get above it, right? So maybe that was the last ditch effort, or she's going to drive up. You want to target here, then you want to target opening range high. For our 15-minute range, you had a $2.51 to 53. So you had about a $2.40 15-minute opening range. For our 5-minute, we had or have a 752, about $1.40. So pretty tight ranges. Considering yesterday's movement was $5, right? There you go. There's your wick. It hit the median. This is the median of the opening range. You want to see it close above that for a continuation up to opening range high. If it keeps wicking here, could be trying to back down. My non-level is quickly turning into a level on me. Shit. This thing gets reactions like any other level does.
Excuse me.
Let me see. Can I have? Let's see. Do you use the stream? Are you watching the stream, or are you on your own?
Well, I've got the stream up, yeah, on YouTube.
Okay. Yeah.
Hmm.
But you use the YouTube one. You don't use the Discord one because
The
I can
Discord,
put.
no.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Show me the money!